This is what you have been looking for. For so many of you guys, you have been looking for how you can generate AI videos, realistic AI videos, without even spending a couple or a dime. In fact, you have tried a lot of tools that you found on YouTube, but let me tell you right now that this is so unpopular and this is so reliable and dependable. As a matter of fact, you can now create AI videos at unlimited level. You don't have to pay a kobo or a dime. Watch this video to the very end and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more valuable videos. My name is Value Don, the Common Resource Teacher, and without wasting time, let's get right into the meat. To access this, the first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and type Tinker by Shopify. Tinker by Shopify. You find out that this app has 4.2 views, 4.3 views, and it has a lot of features, amazing features like that. So it's a productivity app by Shopify. So once I click on open and then I open here, I'll be asked to choose an email, which I have already done. All right. So in your own case, you're going to click on sign up with Google. So I have my email account here. So, and then I'll move forward now. All I have to do now is to click on this picture artifact down here. And then it's going to open Google veo3 for me right here. There is a small picture here, picture box right at the bottom, and type to create. I'm going to click on it and change it to video. So create artifacts. So I'll click on video. All right. So there are different models here. There's Clink, there's Seedance, and if you know very well, you know that veo3 is powerful. Seedance is also powerful. So the next step I'll take now is I'll put my prompt here. If I want to generate an image, it can also generate an image. So let's start by maybe generating an image. Okay. So what are we trying to generate? Let's go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT I want to create an image of two boys dancing, no, two boys riding a bicycle in a race versus a Lamborghini, right? Using Google image generator. Write the perfect realistic prompt. So I'll put that in now, and this should come up. So all I have to do is copy it. I always say that it's good to use it's always very good to use ChatGPT because it helps you generate amazing stuff. So now I have my prompt, put it in. So I'll just slide here to generate the picture. So let's wait. Don't allow. You can allow in your own case. So let's see what's going to happen now. The image we generated. So it's coming up. So we have it here. I wonder if it is Lagos kind of. This is not giving Lagos vibes. So I have to go back. Say I can't see Lagos here. So can you see Lagos is not even here? I can't see Lagos in here. So I have to take it back. That's not what I wanted. That's why it's called prompt. Alright. Type to create. So that's why it's called prompt. Put it in. put it back in, approve it, slide. So let's wait. So it's basically using Google Gemini image generator. So if you have the opportunity to create images as much as possible, you can create them and just come and be uploading them here. So can you see? So I can download this now. So this is my download button. So downloaded. So I can now go back now. I want to create my artifact again. I want to do a video this time around. I want to select the photo. No, this is not the photo. This is the photo. I'll tap it in, and so I can go back to my ChatGPT and say, I want to create a video. Okay, I already created this image in veo3 in Google. Now I want to create a video in veo3 using the image. Create the perfect video prompt. So that's already coming up. So we can see here to determine voice, sweating, all of those things. All right. So I can copy this. I can copy this. All right. So I think it should be copied now. Select, possibly. I should be able to. Okay. I can copy this, put it in a notepad. That's why I advise people to have notepads. So this is it in the notepad. It makes it easy for me to copy it. All right. So I'm done with that. I'll simply come back into this place, that interface. I'll copy and paste it right there. Then I'll go ahead. I'll go to additional setting. I want to do it in. So if what I want to do now is I want it to be landscape, which is YouTube and so on, then that is that. If I want it vertical, that is that. But come take a look at it. My picture is landscape. I can increase it to 6 seconds. I can generate audio. Audio is also there. Then I can slide to generate. And so let's wait. I can decide to minimize. So let's just wait for it to render. So let's wait. Okay, they are rewriting my prompt. Okay, maybe it gave them an issue or it triggered something because there is control when it comes to AI generation. So we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting for the generation. It is loading in the background already. All right, it's almost done. Done with the video right now. Now you can see what it looks like. So imagine I want to do this same thing with Seedance. I can simply just use video, select the photo. So this one again, select it and use Seedance. Seedance is one of the best. All right. So I don't have to describe anything. I just want to select the photos again. Select the photos and then just say something simple, because I think putting too many prompts sometimes can cause issues. I can say, uh, turn this into a realistic video. Okay. And so let's work on the frames. So I'm not selecting any video. I'm not referencing any video. Additional settings. Generate audio. I want you to do 6 seconds. Balance duration. Aspect ratio. Auto. But I want you to do a landscape for me. Landscape 16:9. And so I think I'm good. I can just do this. And the generation will start. So let's see how many seconds it will take. So we're still right here. You are free to use this as much as possible. Use a generator of videos. Do not at the same time waste it. Use it very well. Use it for your videos, and I'll share more stuff with you over time. So I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, put I got value right there in the comment section. Encourage the creator of this video so that you can do more. Right? I promise to share more with you guys. I hope you got value. Please do not forget, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. For now, this is unlimited. All right. So many times when we make videos like this, people come to the comment section and say different things that will discourage us, but we'll not stop making videos like this to encourage people so that they can get answers to their question. As at this time that this video was done, this is unlimited. So please get to work and use it. See you guys in more practical videos. And value done and call me the results teacher. Please make sure that any video that pops up on this channel, you are watching them and you're sharing them with your friends, your colleague, and also with your family. See you guys some other time. I hope you got value. Bye for now.